Hi Mumtaz, how are you?
So I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good too, Mumtaz. So finally you got placed, happily placed.
Yes.
And I want a quick feedback from you about your training, placement, and everything. So I'm going to ask you questions, and I'm expecting a very generous answer from your side. So feel free, whatever you want to share with us. So the very first question I usually ask, like, how did you come to know about NG Networks?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, when I was in 6th or 7th semester in my BTech, I studied a subject there, computer networks. So I got interested into networking about routing and switching. So after completing my BTech, I was searching for some institute that can provide this courses in networking. So I came across many institute, but because of those trust issues, I was not able to join anyone. So then I saw your video on the YouTube, and I got attracted towards that. So I then had a conversation with, I think, Miss Manvi. So she explained me about this NDS course, and then because of those, again, the trust issues, I can't trust this simple call. So I had my friend in Patel Nagar there only. So I sent him to your institute in Patel Nagar. So he saw the institute and he gave me the feedback. Then I decided to join, and then I myself came there and joined the classes offline.
Acha, sorry, I didn't take you the introduction first. Where are basically from, Mumtaz?
I'm from Jammu and Kashmir, and also in Jammu and Kashmir, I'm from the last border area, that's Tangdar.
क्या नाम है उस जगह का?
Tangdar.
Tangdal. So it's in Kashmir or
Yeah,
Jammu?
it's in Kashmir, and it's on LOC. I can clearly see the other side, our neighbors.
Seriously?
Yes, there is one river, Kishan Ganga, flowing, and we are separated by this Kishan Ganga.
That other side you can see the Pakistan.
Yeah.
अरे आप तो बहुत close रहते हो. So the difference I can see, I'm sitting in t-shirt in the air conditioner and you are wearing the jacket.
Yes, sir.
October में तो it means आप लोग यहाँ ठंड. अभी temperature क्या आपके यहाँ?
Temperature is around 17-18 degrees.
17-18 degree. तो मुमताज, I'm very surprised क्योंकि I think we already had words multiple times. इतनी बार बात हुई. I was aware that you are from the Jammu and Kashmir, but I was not aware that you are that far in the Kashmir as well. और तो I'm very feeling proud of you. आपने जहाँ मेरे ख्याल से इतनी amenities तो नहीं होंगी वहाँ पे, the way you are managing each and everything.
Yes, sir, there is lack of infrastructure everywhere, so the education standards here are not good, but fortunately I got selected. I studied in Army Goodwill Public School, Pahalgam, and after that I cleared those entrance examination for the engineering. So I got selected in GCT Jammu. I did my BTech there, and after that I did the networking course with NG Networks. So it's a great moment for me that today I got placed in a great MNC.
We are feeling proud. I'm really feeling proud, यार मुमताज. I was not aware with your background. I'm very happy. तो करते हैं फिर कैसे? How come you're too far? And how did you believe? मतलब ऐसा क्या लगा that you believe कि यार यहाँ invest करना चाहिए? Because
Actually,
you're so far away from us.
Sir, actually, when after completing my BTech, so I thought I had interest in this networking. So I was looking for some institute that can provide this training in networking and advanced level training. So I come across multiple these institutes, but because of trust issues, I was not able to trust them. So then I saw your videos on the YouTube, and I also saw testimonial videos, and also it was this job guaranteed course. And also I sent one of my friend to Patel Nagar to check the office, to check the classrooms, and then he ensured everything. Then I myself visited NG Networks in Patel Nagar, and I attended all the classes for those 6 months in the office only, in the NG Networks only.
Great. Absolutely great. So let's come to the training part, Mumtaz. I want the feedback on the training part. How was the training, the basic to the advanced? Let's talk about first technical. The way we have divided the NDS program, first we will start with the comms and technical. So I want to know about the feedback of the technical part.
Yes, sir, it was great. I think I have been in this studying from last many years, but the type of training I got in NG Networks, it was above my expectations. So Sunny sir was my trainer in the basics. He explained me everything, and he was always there to help me out whenever I needed help. After the class hours also, I used to go to NG to get help from him, and also Rahul sir was there to provide anything, to provide everything. I used to get the access of those things also, which were not in my syllabus also. So whenever I needed help from them, and they used to give me the help. Everyone in NG helped me a lot, and the training part was the best. That starting from basic to advanced. I started from basic to advanced, and my skill level increased day by day. So also in those training part, also the most important which I feel is the screening part. So everybody should be prepared to attend the screening at a given time, because screening, because with the help of the screening, you know where you stand. So what are the areas you need to improve. So that screening helped me a lot throughout my course. And after this basic, then we shifted to advanced, and in advanced also luckily I got a trainer as Sunny sir. He is always there to help. So I had a great bonding with him as I was an offline student. We used to have face-to-face conversation. So because of that also I got interested more in networking, because I Sunny sir told his story also, how he joined the NG, now what he is doing, how much he is earning. So I was interested in that, and I started putting in more hard work. So also apart from the NG network, what they are giving us in the course, also the student need to put in the hard work from their side also. So I used to search on different websites like Cisco website. I used to study from that also. And also I study from YouTube also. Germi Labs, a channel is there, Germi Labs. So because of the NG network, I got that interest, that so I started exploring multiple things, because of which I'm standing here today. And also after entering the real time, so the real time, basic real time, I feel basic real time is one of the best thing that happened to me by Neha ma'am. So actually this this basic real time, because of this basic real time, I was initially able to clear my first few rounds of the interview, and this advanced real time by Deepak sir. So it's always a great. Deepak sir, he has a experience of almost 20 plus years, so he knows what to give to the students and what is the requirement of this modern era. So from basic to advanced, everything was fine. So I want to thank everyone in the NG, starting from Miss Manvi, which I contacted first, then Anjali ma'am, Anchal ma'am, Rahul sir, and then Sunny sir, and also my placement coordinator, I think Rinku Rao sir. So I used to get good morning messages from him every day. Even I have got a good morning message today also. So he was always there to help me out. So whenever I needed help, he used to arrange a call with the placed candidate. So which they helped me how to prepare, how to respond to the answer, and how to respond if you don't know the answer of a particular question. So everything went smoothly, and feeling happy that I'm also in the testimonial video of NG Network now.
I'm very happy. I forget that I'm taking your feedback. I'm listening like, okay, yeah, that's perfect. Seriously, that's perfect. मतलब मैं खुद ऑडियंस बन गया हूँ. इतना अच्छा आपने बोला, the way you explain each and everything. I forget कि मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं. तो actually I usually ask, the way you explain everything is fine. I usually ask like, what is the difference between the technical and real time training? At your perspective, what I'm explaining in the webinar seminars, that is a different thing. I want to hear from you.
Yes, sir. Basically, the technical portion, when you start a technical portion to get the knowledge about the technical, and in the real time, you apply those technical knowledge that you get from this basics and advanced. So in the technical part also, those labs which are NG conducts during the class and after the class also, those labs are very important, because in those labs you get to know how this protocol works, how BGP works, how OSPF works, how these different switching protocol works. So this basic, advanced plus real time, this combo, I think this combo differentiates NG from others. Every institute provides this basic training, but I have not heard any institute providing this real time, advanced real time and basic real time and advanced real time. So this training, this program differentiates NG from the other networks, other institutes in all over the country. I have gone through many institutes. I have read the reviews about many institutes, but I didn't find real time training anywhere in India. I don't know about the foreign, but in India, I can proudly say that NG is the only institute that is providing the real time.
That's true. So that was I usually says that it's my USP, and I'm happy to see the feedback on my real-time training. I'm very happy. So Mumtaz, what is the package we have committed you?
Actually, you committed a minimum of 6 lakhs. So, but I got much more than that.
You got really amazing package you got. So कैसा लग रहा है? I don't know. Okay.
So actually, when I got this offer letter and I saw this package, I was a bit shocked that how this is possible, that I was expecting between 6 and 7, but I got much more than that. So I felt that it's because of the hard work that I put in and the efforts of the NG networks. So I'm glad that I got that.
Mumtaz, it's completely your hard work, because when I start hearing the name of a candidate from Anjali, from Achal, from Rahul, you know the team, you know our team, right? We are very connected, and when these people start talking about a candidate, na Mumtaz ye, Mumtaz wo, मुझे एकदम clear हो जाता है ये बंदा, this candidate is going to do really well. क्योंकि when you start interacting with us, connect with us, so it's not a company, it's a family. We are completely a family. You know it very well when you speak to the Rinku, when you speak to the Rahul sir या Achal ma'am. Whenever we connect with a candidate, you know it very well. The ultimate goal is to place. Mumtaz is here with us. We have to place you, and you are also helping us to, screen the candidate.
Yes, sir. That played an important role. That thank you for providing me that opportunity to screen the candidates. So actually, I used to screen almost 5, 6, in 7 basic candidates, and also I took the screening of advanced also, extra advanced also. So that helped me to revise daily. So I didn't need to open my notes and study. So I was taking the screening, and I used to revise myself also. So that helped me a lot in that gave me the confidence to speak in the interview, how to answer. So I got to learn many things from the juniors also. The juniors are in the NG, they are very talented. I have come across multiple students, they are very talented. In future, in next few months, they will be here. I believe they will be here in the testimonial also. So thank you for that opportunity that you gave me, the screening part. Not only screening, I was taking the screening, at the same time I was earning also. So that also that was a great thing for me also.
Not a problem, Mumtaz, मैं एक क्वेश्चन मेरा यहाँ से अभी मुझे लगा, फील हुआ है कि आई शुड आस्क, मतलब आपको क्या लगता है हमारे साथ अब आप, बिकॉज यू हैव टेकन दिस स्क्रीनिंग विद अस, तो ऐसा क्या लगा आपको जब आपने हमारे साइड पे खड़े होकर देखा कैंडिडेट्स को, कंडीशन कैसी होती है, एंड व्हेन वी प्लेस देम, तो वो चैलेंज बताओगे आप कैसा है?
सर एक्चुअली जब स्क्रीनिंग लेनी स्टार्ट की तो उस वक्त मुझे पता चला कि कितना डिफिकल्ट है एक बंदे को कहाँ से उठा के कहाँ से तक लेके जाना. When this candidate joins the NG, they even some are from non-IT backgrounds, from non-networking portion areas. So to get them into the networking and to make them understand these concepts and to understand the protocol, different protocols, and from basic to advanced, it's a great thing. So NG, I think, is an angel in the life of these candidates. Coming from non-background area, non-IT sector, and entering into the IT sector with this much package, so it's a great thing.
Seriously, thank you very much. बस मैं वही सुनना चाह रहा था कि क्या जो हम फेस कर रहे हैं वो मुमताज ने भी किया, और वो
बहुत जब किसी वक्त स्टूडेंट्स के ऐसे भी आते हैं कि क्वेश्चन कुछ और पूछो, रिप्लाई कुछ और आता है, फिर एनजी उनके ऊपर काम करता है, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस भी लगाते हैं, तो फिर उनको उस लेवल तक लेके जाना ताकि वो मार्केट में बंदे एक उनके साथ compete कर सके, कैंडिडेट के साथ. कंपनीज में ओपनिंग की कितनी होती हैं? 1-2 ओपनिंग होती हैं, मैक्सिमम 3 हो जाएंगी, उसमें हजारों के हिसाब से लड़के होते हैं, तो उसमें compete करके वो अपनी सीट निकालना, एक सीट निकालना, I think it's a very difficult job. So NG is providing everything, means के from basic to advanced, the training is very good. So the candidate gets to know everything in steps. That's more important. So when these courses are available everywhere, so you have that much syllabus to cover. So the candidate get afraid of how I'll cover this syllabus. So NG is bifurcating those huge syllabus into short-term goals. So and the candidates are achieving those short-term gains. And also screening is taking place at regular interval of time after 15 days, 20 days. So that helps us to know where we stand and what are the areas of improvement, so that we can improve. So it's a great initiative by NG that is changing the future of this industry, I believe.
Thank you very much, Bashir. आप इतना अच्छा बोलते हो मुमताज, मतलब मैं भूल ही जाता हूँ I'm supposed to ask the questions. मैं खुद ही आपका मुरीद कहते हैं ना, वही और बातों का मुरीद हो जाता हूँ कि वही सुनने लग जाता हूँ. रियली एक्सीलेंट यार, बहुत मजा आया मुमताज, और थैंक यू वेरी मच. टीम कैसी लगी हमारी? मतलब एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चंस पे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं.
टीम तो बहुत अच्छी है. बाकी जो कैंडिडेट होते हैं वो ऑनलाइन ज्वाइन करते हैं, तो उनका तो कैसा होगा मुझे तो उतना नहीं है, पर मैं तो ऑफलाइन था. मैं तो टीम को हर एक को इंडिविजुअली हर एक से मिला हूँ. 1-to-1 कन्वर्सेशन मेरी 6 महीने सबके साथ हुई है, तो मैं टीम को तो अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ, और टीम को भी मेरे पे भरोसा था कि ये कुछ करने वाला है, ये बंदा कुछ करेगा, कुछ बड़ा करेगा. तो सबको बिलीव था मेरे ऊपर, तो मैंने बोला कि और मेहनत करते हैं, कोई इस बिलीव जो किया है इसको हम यकीन में बदलते हैं. फिर तो आज हो गया सब कुछ.
तो अभी जो आपके जूनियर्स हैं, क्लास ले रहे हैं, उनको क्विक फीडबैक, उनको क्या एक्सप्लेन कर, उनके लिए क्या आप सजेशन देना चाहोगे?
Feedback for the juniors is just to focus on your studies. Just concentrate whatever being taught in the NG, just focus on that. And most important thing, I had the candidate with me also, they were not revising daily, so because of which they are getting placed, but they are taking the time. So if you, whatever you study in the morning, you need to revise that in the evening, and you need to get the extra information about that topic. So revisions are more important, concentration, and also lab portion. Don't skip your lab practicals, and also appear in the screening at the time, because screening helps you to grow. So the advice for the juniors is just focus on your studies. Don't get afraid of anything. If you study hard, if you study well, everything will fall in your way definitely one day.
ग्रेट मुमताज, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और जो बंदे एडमिशन लेना चाह रहे हैं, वो आपकी वीडियो देख रहे हैं, जैसे एक दिन आप देख रहे हैं, तो उनको क्या मैसेज दोगे आप?
उनको यही मैसेज है, अगर आप इस फील्ड में इंटरेस्टेड हो, नेटवर्किंग में इंटरेस्टेड हो, तो एनजी से बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑल ओवर इंडिया आपको नहीं मिलेगा। एक तो पढ़ाई तो अच्छी होती है, और जो आपको सपोर्ट मिलती है फ्रॉम day of joining to the day of placement, everyone responds to your calls. Whenever you needed help, they will help you out. So join NG, trust NG, and build your future and change the world.
थैंक यू वेरी मच मुमताज, बहुत बढ़िया लगा। एक लास्ट रह गया, आप मेरे को जरा वीडियो जरूर भेजना, आपके पास मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है ना?
यस सर।
इस वक्त मुझे अपने बॉर्डर की वीडियो भेजना है।
ओके सर, श्योरली सर।
और मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं कभी कश्मीर आऊं तो मैं आपसे मिलने जरूर आऊंगा।
डेफिनेटली सर, हम एक साथ ही आएंगे, आप जब किसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो एक साथ आएंगे सर।
Thank you, Mumtaz. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Take care. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.